I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, prepare your development environment for the ESP32 connection steps. Use Arduino IDE version 1.8, 13 or later, and install the ESP32 board package. Connect the ESP32 to your computer with a USB cable and select the proper COM port in the IDE. Open the example Wi-Fi client sketch from the Wi-Fi library folder. Have your Wi-Fi SSID and password ready, keeping passwords at least 8 characters long. Confirm the board setting is set to the exact ESP32 model you own. Now write and configure the Wi-Fi connection code inside your sketch. Set Wi-Fi, mode, Wi-Fi sta and call Wi-Fi. Begin your SSID, your pass and setup to start the connection. Use a 10-second timeout loop checking Wi-Fi. Status equals WL connected for success and break the loop when connected. Print connection progress messages to serial at 115,200 baud so you can debug easily. Optionally configure a static IP like 192, 168, 150 with gateway 192, 168, 1 in code when your network requires it. Finally, verify the ESP32 successfully joins your Wi-Fi network and troubleshoot if needed. Check serial output for IP address like 192, 168, 100 after successful connection to confirm network assignment. If connection fails, verify SSID spelling, password length, and signal strength near the ESP32 unit. Use Wi-Fi, disconnect, and Wi-Fi. Reconnect to reset the module before retries and implement exponential backoff for repeated attempts. Once connected, use the IP address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.